Blood Sampling Online focuses on general blood sampling concepts and various methods of blood collection. Topics include blood sample labeling and lab requisitions, blood collection tube selection, special handling of blood samples, capillary or fingerstick and heel stick blood collection techniques, central venous access device blood collection techniques, peripheral vein selection and distension, peripheral venipuncture techniques, appropriate blood collection equipment selection, and troubleshooting and potential complications. Learners can choose to take all or just a few of the course topics. Up to 2.5 contact hours will be awarded depending on the number of course topics a learner takes within this course. This blood sampling course features narration, the middle finger and ring finger of the non-dominant hand, lots of photos and videos with patients, real-life scenarios, clickable glossaries, and interactive activities.